Hi, I'm Tom from Stream Sensing.
And I'm Connor from ITS.
And we're going to combine tomography and real-time rheology to show you how to make the perfect gravy for your Christmas dinner.
So what we've done so far is add the beef stock to water and added garlic and butter for extra flavour. And as you can see by the tomogram here, it's very well mixed so far. Okay. Now all the corn flour has been mixed into the gravy, you can see from the tomogram here that it's completely changed colour, which would indicate that the electrical properties have been changed by the corn flour. And because of the uniforming colour that you can see on the tomogram here, it also indicates that the gravy is mixed in really well, which is of course vital to creating a great Christmas gravy.
While Connor was showing you how to make sure that the gravy was perfectly mixed, I took this sensor into the lab to measure the consistency of a number of different gravies. Rheology is the way a material flows, and it impacts every aspect of our daily lives, from the paint on our walls, to making sure a toothpaste stays on the brush, to the thickness and texture of our gravy. At the end of a manufacturing process, you would typically take a sample, take it to the lab to analyse the rheology, and then if it doesn't meet the quality control requirements, whole batches may have to be scrapped or reworked. This generates large volumes of processed waste and excess energy consumption. I took 3 gravies which we'd made and measured the rheology using stream sensing equipment, and here you can see the results. As you can see from the data, we have 1 gravy which is too thick, 1 which is too thin, and 1 which is just right. Now I know you could tell by eye when I was pouring it, but imagine trying to do that when thousands of litres are being produced at a single time. That's where stream sensing come in. Thank you for watching our Christmas video.
If you'd like to find out any more information about either of the technologies, you can click the link in the description below.
All that's left to say is Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas everyone.